AMC stock had a huge day today, closing above $14 per share, breaking that resistance line at $13 per share, and we know the next stop is $20 per share. So in this video, we're going to talk about a couple of the reasons they're saying AMC stock had such a great day today, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give my take on why AMC really had such a good day today. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. We're going to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to click that subscribe button and become a bro. We're going for 10,000 subscribers, and I know we're going to hit it soon. So AMC stock closed up at like $14.04 per share today. It's trading roughly around that amount right now after hours. I think it's like $13.95. So it's bouncing right in there, nice and steady. And it had a very good day today. I know there's a lot of happy investors out there. We've seen some huge gains. Now let's talk about a couple of the reasons they're saying that AMC stock had such a great day today. Reason number one is the fact that the Dali and Wanda group gave up their majority stakeholder share in the company. Now, is this significant? What does it really mean? And is it something that we should, look for? So this basically just means it's a good thing because now other investors have a bigger say in what happens with the company. So when it comes time to vote, and especially when we're looking at this thing that's coming up here with the reissuance or the possible reissuance of up to 500 million shares, it's going to be a very good thing that the retail investors and other investors now have a bigger say, and that the Wanda group no longer holds the majority stake, and they've diluted themselves a little bit, giving other investors a bigger vote. So that's the main thing there that we were looking at, and that's one of the reasons the analysts are saying that AMC stock rose today. The other one being that Los Angeles is opening up. They've opened up a few theaters today, and they expect to open up the rest of them by, I believe it was March 19th. So I'll link the article that I'm getting all this information out of here in the description, so you guys can go double check it all and see what's really going on there and what they're saying. But it's big news that Los Angeles is opening up. Why? It was great news when New York City was opening up, and Los Angeles is bigger than New York City in terms of AMC and the movie theaters and really the revenue that they generate there. So that's awesome news that AMC stock is getting all of this attention right now. LA's opening up. It's going to offer some huge potential and huge revenue increases. The rest of California, all 53 locations, are expected to be opened up by March 19th. And, barring some crazy pandemic rules or some new strain that comes out, everything is looking good for that reopening taking place. Now, this just feeds off all of the other articles that we've been talking about recently with, the CEO saying that we can last through March of 2022 and everything's opening up as planned, which is always good when things are going as planned because it means that things are working the way they expect and there's no surprises. And typically no surprise is good news, right? So it's excellent that we're following things as planned. I like that. But look, guys, we all know the reason that AMC stock is driving higher. They can come up with these things and say, yes, it's this news, it's that news. And, Motley Fool does a great job of it. They come up with some stuff, but then at the end of every single article they have, they push their agenda and they say, well, forget about investing in AMC stock. You should check out these other stocks. Subscribe to my newsletter, blah, 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 all that. But look, we know the reason that AMC stock is moving higher is because retail investors are buying, we're holding, and we're not letting this stock go. It's as simple as that. Demand for this stock keeps rising, and as you buy those shares, as you have those diamond hands, people who want to get involved and want to go along for the ride, they have to offer higher and higher and higher prices. Now, this is the real reason that we're driving AMC stock higher. Yes, it's good that the fundamentals are starting to rise. We're going to increase revenue with all of these new locations. We have increased voting power when it comes to, Wanda Group diluting their shares. And one of the main things that I'm excited about is the fact that we broke resistance at $13 per share. We closed at $14 per share today. 13 was a very significant resistance level. Now it's going to play a very significant support level. That is awesome. If we dip a little bit tomorrow, I expect to see support at $13 per share. But what are we going for now? If you take a look at the daily chart, you can see that there was a little bit, I don't even want to call it significant resistance at the $17 per share mark, because we've got some intraday highs that are around that $17 per share mark. But the $20 per share, if we break a new high, AMC stock could soar higher. And that's really what I'm looking forward to. I really want to see AMC break that $20 level and soar, soar, soar. I mean, if we want to talk about going to the moon, we need to break that $20 level, and I believe that we've got our sights set, and we could really see that happen maybe even this week. So I'm really excited. We had an awesome day today. We had some excellent gains, and I hope these gains continue through tomorrow, and we're able to test that $17 level, break through it, and then test that $20 level and bust right through that. If we experience some pullbacks, okay, that's what support and resistance lines are. You know, we can kind of expect to see a little bit of resistance there, but I'm really looking forward to breaking those lines. So I want to know what you guys think. If you had an excellent day in your portfolio today, if you've got AMC stock, if you've been holding it. I know some people out there, we've been holding AMC for quite a while now, and it's always awesome to see our portfolio values going higher. So let us know down in the comments below if you're excited, if you're loving these gains, and if you think we can break $20 per share tomorrow or even this week. Let us know down there. Inspire the rest of us to be better investors. And look, guys, if you're brand new to trading, there's a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your brokerage account, and you're going to get a couple free stocks just for doing so. And look, a couple of the people that have signed up have told me they've gotten AMC as their free share, and they've really been experiencing some sweet gains. They didn't even have to go out and buy it, but they've got AMC in their portfolios because it was free just for using that link in the description below. Now, guys, if you like the content on the channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, become a bro. We're growing this channel together, and we're going for 10,000 subs. So it would really help out if you did that. And if you like the content here too, make sure to share this video and tag me almost anywhere at Claybro. I would love to follow you guys back and really see what everybody's interested in investing in. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.